Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to Islamic Wisdom. Today, we will be discussing the third Ashra of Ramadan, its profound importance, recommended actions, and practices for making the most of these blessed final days. Together, let's uncover the beauty and significance of this time. Let's begin. The importance of the third Ashra. The third Ashra of Ramadan represents Najat, salvation from hellfire. This is a time when Allah's infinite mercy shines, offering an unparalleled opportunity for believers to purify their hearts and seek eternal salvation. This Ashra is not just about worship, it's about renewing our commitment to Allah and striving for His pleasure. These final days also encompass Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, a night so powerful that worship during it is equivalent to over 83 years of devotion. The third Ashra reminds us to focus deeply on our spiritual goals, seeking Allah's forgiveness and guidance. Things to do during the last 10 days. Maximize worship. Increase your prayers, including the night prayer, the Tahajjud, and spend more time in sujood, pouring your heart out to Allah. Dedicate yourself to Quran recitation. If you haven't completed it, aim to do so while reflecting on its meanings. Make dua and dhikr. The dua for the third Ashra is, Allahumma ajirni min annar. O Allah, save me from hellfire. Recite the dua for Laylat al-Qadr. Allahumma innaka, afuwun tuhibbul, afwa fafu, ani. O Allah, you are pardoning, and you love to pardon, so pardon me. Engage in dhikr, repeating phrases like Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, and Allahu Akbar. Perform itikaf. Immerse yourself in worship through itikaf. This involves seclusion in the mosque, or a dedicated space at home, focusing solely on prayer, Quran, and dhikr. Itikaf allows for profound spiritual connection. Charity and generosity. Give generously to those in need, especially during Laylat al-Qadr, to multiply your rewards. Seek Laylat al-Qadr. Stay awake and dedicate yourself to worship on the odd nights, 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, and 29th. This night holds immeasurable blessings, and even small acts of worship can carry immense weight. Etiquettes for the last 10 days. Approach worship with sincerity, humility, and focus. Avoid distractions and dedicate yourself entirely to Allah. Maintain good character. Speak kindly, forgive others, and avoid arguments. Fulfill your obligations to family and neighbors, and seek to strengthen relationships by reconciling any disputes. Be mindful of your surroundings during itikaf. Keeping your space clean and organized enhances the spiritual experience. Additional recommended practices. Physical and mental preparation. Begin your nights with a nourishing suhoor, ensuring you have the energy to sustain worship. Stay hydrated and rest during the day if possible. Reflect on personal growth. Take time to evaluate your progress this Ramadan. Ask yourself, how have I grown spiritually? What habits do I want to carry forward? Set long-term goals. Ramadan is a spiritual training ground. Use its lessons to establish lasting habits like the Tahajjud, daily Quran recitation, and regular sarkah. Prepare for Eid with gratitude. While planning for Eid, focus on gratitude for Allah's blessings. Share your joy with family, neighbors, and those less fortunate. Wrapping up Ramadan. As Ramadan comes to an end, it's essential to make every moment count. Seek forgiveness for any shortcomings in your worship, and strive to leave Ramadan as a better version of yourself. Let the habits you've developed, prayer, charity, patience, be the seeds of continued growth. Remember, the spirit of Ramadan is meant to stay with us throughout the year. Thank you for watching. May Allah accept your efforts, grant you success in this life and the hereafter, and shower you with blessings during these final days of Ramadan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islamic Wisdom for more enriching content. Until next time.
Jazakallah khairan.